Okay, let's do this problem. 576 divided by 4. So the division problem is like you want to ask yourself, you have 576 marbles, and every time you take two marbles, so every you use a very small bag. In each small bag you can fill four marbles. So how many or such small bags you can fill? You can take out from 576 marbles. So the first thing is consideration is you want to take as more such small bags as possible every time. So because this number is this 5 means 500. So I would like to firstly I will separate this 576 into two piles. So this is a big bag, which is 500, and here's a small bag, 76. Why I will separate 500? Because I know if so this is 100, right? These two zeros means 100. Because I know I can ask myself how many fours can we take out from 5. That is quite an easy problem. I know that is 1, right? So I know that is 1. So immediately I can know from this 500 I can know I can take 100 small bags. Okay, yeah, just add two zeros. So this 500, that means I can already separate it by 100 small bags, and the remaining will be 100, right? Okay. So this one is already smaller than 4, so I cannot do that. Yeah, I cannot do separate take out from this one. But actually, if I consider this is 100, then I can take out 25. But that is not the way the long division do. So the second step for long division, the procedure is consider this. Here we have 76. So 76, we know that it is composed of two parts. One is quite a big one, and the other one is a smaller one. The big one is 70. The smaller one is 6. So I want to add this 70 and this 100 together to get 170. And I will do the same thing just when I have this 500. Now I would like to work with tens. So I know there's 1 0 here, right? So this 0 means tenth. So I can ask myself how many 4 small bags with 4 marbles I can get out from this 17. So I know 17 is we can get 4 small bags from 17. Each small bag have 4 marbles, because 4 times 4, right? So, and I know this is 0, so I can immediately add a 0 here. So this time I get 40 small bags. So times 4. Okay, this will gives me another remainder. The remainder is this is 160, right? Because 17 is 17. Now 4 times 4 is 16. 17 minus 16 is 1. So actually they are yeah, because there's 0. So 1 and I should add a 0. So totally, I have 10 remains here. Okay, so I don't want to do immediately with this 10 remain, but I will form take out this 6 again, and form a new number which is 16. Now I will directly ask myself, well, how many 4s can we take out from 16? The answer is 4. Okay, so this is 4 times 4. Okay, so there are 3 steps, main steps. So the first step is I want to take out as many hundreds as possible from this big number. So so it is 500. So 5, I know I can take 4 from 5. So I can have 100. If this is not 500, if it is, for example, 900, so it is 900, I can immediately take 200 small bags out. Okay, and the remaining will be, again, it is also 900 minus this 200 times 4 is the remaining again is 100. Okay, so yeah, so the second step is I don't want to work with 100. Okay, I want to now I want to add how many tens are in the remaining parts. Then I can add those tens to this 100, and I get 170. Okay, so the first time I am working with hundreds, I'm asking myself, how many hundreds can I take out from this big number? The second question I ask myself is, how many tens can I take out from the remaining the big part of the remaining numbers? There are small part also. Okay, then how many tens I can take out? 40 small bags. That means 4 tens of small bags. Okay, so the second time I'm working with tens. The last time I'm working with ones. I add the remainder 10 things, and the other remain 6. So I get 16. So I know it is 4 times 4. So each time I'm working, so the first step I got 200. The second step I got 40. The third step I got 4. So the total the main result is 200 plus 40 plus 4. It is 244. That is the result. Okay, so this is the idea behind the long division. So the idea is, every time I want to ask myself, yeah, as can I take as many as possible the small bags? This small bag is actually called dividend. Okay, dividend. Okay, how many dividend can I take out? Oh, sorry, I think this is called divisor. How many divisors can I take out from the dividend? This number is dividend. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we want to do it as quickly as possible. So this is, you can call it kind of speedy way to get out as many as possible devices. So this is the idea behind the long division.